Our next Diedricksen Brothers hands-on tiny house and treehouse building workshops, Boston, Seattle, Omaha, and North Carolina. RelaxShacks.com. Hey, what's up, Deek? RelaxShacks.com. We're at the Tiny House North Carolina Street Festival in a house built by Perch and Nest, and it's fairly outstanding. Alright, first off, I'm kind of blown away by this place. As you enter, not only are the skylights bringing so much great natural light here in Pink Hill, North Carolina, but we're dealing with dual lofts, and immediately as you enter, the feel of this place is just, I won't call it enormous, but there's a built-on, I would say, 8 to 10 foot porch added onto this 36-foot tiny house, one with an abundance of very large windows and great storage and shelving. Definitely has the Nantucket-ish beach vibe meets country. I mean, these windows which open here, I believe, or even if not, I don't care, they're awesome. Are just such a nice dominant feature in the house. I'll show you the porch in just a second. Well, right now, how about that? Look at this. You can almost imagine entertaining out here. These sliders, actually all closed. They're the retracting ones, so you can screen in this whole place. But it's an open deck otherwise, all atop a trailer. I'm going to close this. They actually let me in here. It's after hours at the festival, just so I could film some of this without people coming in and out. Now, one thing I love, here's another central focal point of it, is the Smeg vintage style refrigerator, soda fountain green-ish. Look at that thing, beautiful. Kitchen's cool. These are just you know, some use them as record crates, just an assortment of different boxes bolted to the wall. Very rustic, cool, funky, has that salvage vibe. I love it. Very classy hanging lamp here, hanging light, the farm style apron sink, induction burner, and an oven down below. And this is almost like a click laminate style flooring, I believe. I'm not going to get down there and scratch at it to find out where the seams are, but it has that really neat vintage and worn look. These are the signs they had outside. I don't want to pollute the video with this kind of stuff, but here's to give them the proper plug. Perch and Nest, perchandnest.com, and this one-take tour, because I ain't got the time to edit. This is one of my favorite features of the house as it focuses here. It's the headboard of a very old bed. The spindles on it are pretty cool. I love you like biscuits and gravy. Now down here, narrow little hallway, again with the cool flooring. The owners were not available for the interview because they're actually not feeling well, so I'm just perusing through here. I love this tile work. It has a very old school flavor to it. Pretty good sized bathroom. Very nice sink. Everything's got a little bit of that crust and patina and that shabby chic look to it. The farm feed trough bath. We did that in one of the houses we built for HGTV on our show a ways back. And here's another lower bedroom, so there's a lot of sleep space in this. This fun little almost kid's nook. But of course, under the stairs, there is an abundance of storage down here. Be a fun hiding space. Not that you can really get away with much of a good game of hide and seek in a tiny house. Again, the huge windows, so cool. They might, you know, diminish some of the privacy, but I love it. This place is so open and airy. There's a proper staircase going up here. to what would be the main sleep space. And yet again, I'm loving it. The view below, so you can peek around and make sure the kids are going to bed at their proper bedtime hour. Lots of outlets in this one too. That's something that tiny houses seem to lack in some cases. Storage built in into the actual thickness, the depths of the wall. Why not? A bunch of crates on wheels below with storage. And I'm going to show you looking down the barrel of the gun, walking this way, what the house looks like. I'd say it's one of my favorite houses at this Tiny House North Carolina Street Festival, put on by Andrew Odom from Tiny Revolution. He did an incredible job. Such a fun small town vibe with a lot of people turning out this year. I hope he does another one next year. Mini split hidden behind there. Sliding ladder with some cool hardware as well. I definitely invested some money in this build, just from the doors to the windows to the accoutrements and that round window up in that loft. I'm a fan of that too. This is a cool little feature here too. I'm a fan of that. Little area to hang your clothes, put your shoes, and a big old front door that doubles as a giant window. So should you be situated near a aesthetically pleasing vista, you got it made. And that's about all she wrote. Again, I'm Deek, RelaxShacks.com. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. Click like, and we will see you around perhaps at one of the upcoming workshops we have through, yes, RelaxShacks.com. See ya. Thanks for watching.